Welcome back to B for Crypto. In this step-by-step Bitget tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become a profitable trader using Bitget and how to receive a major deposit bonus of up to $4,163 using my link. In this video, we're going to focus on how to open an account, how to deposit and withdraw your cryptocurrencies to trade it on the spot market and on the leverage market. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's directly start with this tutorial. And first of all, we're going to go over into my video description of YouTube. And that is the first step that you have to complete. You have to sign up with my Bitget link to receive a major deposit bonus of up to $4,163. And guys, keep in mind, you don't have to complete your KYC process with Bitget and you can withdraw up to 20 Bitcoin daily. So guys, first step, click on this link and then it will come directly on the sign up page, and here you have to enter your email address and set a password, but you can also sign up using Google or even Apple. Once you have completed the sign up process, it only takes around about 1 minute, you'll directly get on the front page of Bitget. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up to Bitget, and now we're going to find out how to navigate through the platform so that you exactly always know what are you doing and what functions Bitget has to offer. So guys, first of all, on the main page, you can see that you're getting some basic information about Bitget and the new offers that they are having on this platform. So guys, you can also see market trends. And this is a really cool function because here you get updated about all kind of cryptocurrencies on the spot market, future market and your favorite coins. And also the top gainers of today. So guys, here you get a lot of basic information, and also you have your direct link to your Google Play Store and your App Store so that you can connect your mobile device with your trading platform. And that is quite good because now you can trade even when you're on the run. And if you scroll down, you get a lot of information about Bitget, and also you can click on get your rewards so that you can claim your $4,163 in rewards. And you also get rewards by just completing the KYC process or by just trading on the futures or spot market. So guys, we're going to go back to the top, and now we're going to find out what are the different functions that Bitget has to offer. First of all, you can buy cryptocurrency or you can deposit your cryptocurrency, and this is the easiest step. You just click on crypto deposit and then you can choose your coin that you want to deposit into Bitget to trade it and to just hold it on the spot market. But guys, you can also use Express. Buy crypto with one click. Trading has never been easier, and guys, you get around 70 options to make your deposits in your fiat currencies. So guys, it is very easy to deposit fiat currency onto your Bitget account, but you can also use peer-to-peer trading. And this means you can buy cryptocurrency from other users using your bank details or even PayPal. But then you also have third-party payment and also bank deposit. So guys, first of all, we're going to find out all the different functions, and then I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. And here you can see futures market, and that is trading on a leverage. And here you can trade USDT M margin, and that means the underlying asset from your trade is in USDT. So the stablecoin USDT will be used to open a trade, and also your profits you will get in USDT. And that is the best function to use in this market condition right now. You can also use USDC, which is the USDC coin, as the underlying asset of your trades and your profits. And then you also have Coin M futures. And this means the underlying assets will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrency that you have deposited and that you are trading actively on the futures account. And that is quite good if we have an uptrending market where you can receive your Bitcoin and your profits will go up as Bitcoin goes even higher. So this is quite good in an upwards trending market. But guys, futures grid trading is also an option that you can use on Bitget, and that is a trading bot that will buy and sell automatically in between a certain range. But guys, I'm going to do a dedicated video on grid trading, so guys, make sure to subscribe, smash up the like button and activate the bell so that you always get notified when I'm uploading a new video. So guys, let's go on spot trading. And this means you're buying cryptocurrencies on the spot market to hold the coins for a long period of time, to hold them in your wallet for future gains. Spot grid trading is also a function, and a good function, that Bitget has to offer, because it automatically buys low and sells high in a certain range. So guys, this is an automated trading bot that helps you to make even more profits. And guys, here you just have the market update, which we had on the main page before, and you also have the function of copy trading. But guys, I'm going to do a dedicated video on copy trading, and we're going to test if copy trading is really a good option, because guys, you can follow certain traders and you don't have to send your funds to this specific trader. You will just execute on your account the specific trades the copy trader is doing, and that is also a nice function. But I'm going to show you step by step in a dedicated video how to open and how to close your copy trading account. So guys, strategic trading, here you also have a different kind of options where you can buy cryptocurrencies with an automated bot. But guys, now we're going to go over to assets, and here you can see your overall assets, deposits, withdrawals, transfers, financial records, and also your orders. So guys, here you have the basic overview and a quick function to go to your withdrawals, deposit, or even to your assets. And here you can find all your account information and also the settings for setting up your security on Bitget. And here you can see some notifications about new coins that are being added on the Bitget platform. And here you can choose between light and dark mode. I like to keep it on dark because it's better for the eyes. So guys, now we're going to find out how to deposit cryptocurrencies that you already own onto Bitget. And therefore we're going to go over to crypto deposit. And here you can see this window will appear, and you'll get some information about your security settings so that you always set up your Google Authenticator so that you are always secure on your platform and that nobody can log in to your account. So now you can choose from any coin that you would like to deposit of cryptocurrencies that you already own. Like for instance, let's take BNB coin. And here you can choose BNB, and then you select the network that you want to use for the transaction, and then you just copy this address of your depositing address of Binance into your wallet, and then you can send your cryptocurrencies directly onto your spot account. But guys, really make sure to only send BNB to this address, because if you will send any other cryptocurrencies to this address, your funds will be lost. So make sure that you're always sending the right coin to the right address. And guys, over here you can also do the same procedure, just vice versa, with withdrawing your cryptocurrencies. You just select that coin that you want to withdraw, like for instance link, and then you paste your link address exactly here, and then you can enter the amount, and then you just press on submit, and then your cryptocurrencies will be withdrawn from Bitget. So guys, we're going to go over to assets to find out what is the overall conditions of our account. And here you can see your overall value that you have on Bitget, but you can also see what you have on your spot account. And here you can see all the different coins that Bitget has to offer. And there are just a lot of coins that you can choose from. And guys, here you can also see you can transfer, deposit, withdraw, and also put your coins into saving easily under assets. So guys, you don't have to go over to withdraw or deposit, which you also can find here on the sides. You just have to select your coin and then whatever option you want to use, transfer, deposit, or withdraw. So guys, here you get an overview of your overall accounts. On the futures account at the moment, my balance is round about $773. But guys, if you will deposit any cryptocurrencies, you'll receive them on your spot account. And that means if you're trading on futures M, that means your underlying asset will be USDT. You have to convert your Bitcoin first into USDT. Then you have to go down on USDT, and then you transfer your USDT from spot to USDT M for the futures account that you want to trade your cryptocurrencies on the leverage. And then you just enter the amount, and then your USDT will be transferred from your spot account all the way to your futures account so that you can trade on the USDT M futures margin. So guys, that is the basic functions, how to deposit and how to withdraw your cryptocurrencies. using Bitget. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can open your leverage trade using Bitget. If you want to be a profitable trader, go down in the video description below and sign up with my Bitget link, and you'll receive a major deposit bonus of up to 4,163 US dollars. So guys, make sure to watch this tutorial to exactly know how to open a leverage trade and a spot trade on Bitget. And guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.